Alright, mofos. Let's see what the homie sent me. And look. Silent killer. This is my gamer tag. They call me Silent. That's fucking hella gangster. I can't wait for everybody in the world to know me as Silent. Look at these bad boys right here. Turtle Beach's Recon's 200 wired. Look at that. Finally has a second life. Works with the new Xbox and the PS5. So, works for all platforms. Okay. But y'all already know what it is. I have the Xbox One S. 12 hours battery life. Okay, so looks like the box got ripped. I don't even think they've been used, honestly. See, if the product if the box gets ripped up or teared or, you know, something like this. I used to work at Amazon warehouse, so then we would just mark this as damage and down come another one that we would ship off. So, and then these go into the damage land and then they would assess it, see if it's still good, like nothing wrong with it. So, and then they would stamp their approval and then it would get marked down half the cost or whatnot, you know, and then you can buy it for cheap. So it's a new ass fucking headphones, but for cheaper the cost. Real smart thinking there. That's how you budget for your money. So that, yeah, it gets me, because I got wired headsets too, and it doesn't use batteries, so maybe that's why they're so shitty. Yeah, my homeboy, actually, they got me this because I couldn't hear fucking footsteps that were like right next to me. I couldn't hear motherfuckers breathing on my neck. You know, like that were right up on me, you know. So they were like, yo, I'm tired of this shit. What's your addy? I'm gonna send you some fucking good headphones. So that's what my boy Tit did. Thanks, much appreciated. Now, I had a pair of Turtle Beaches, still got them, but they just got outdated by the systems. Like, it wasn't compatible with the new, well, the old now, but back then, when the new Xbox One came out, you know, they were compatible with the Xbox 360 and the PS3. So that's how old they were. But I take care of my shit, and Turtle Beaches, you know, make good headsets. See? Doesn't even look like it's been used. Everything's still in its package. It's just, I feel like the box just got ripped around, you know, going through those conveyor belts and whatnot. Little Turtle Beach sticker. Hey, yay. Add that to my sticker collection. Okay, so let's see what these bad boys do. So, upgrade your audio with rechargeable battery pattern. Okay, easy to reach audio controls. That part's cut off. Headband provides durability. Superior 40. Is it millimeter? I think it's, yeah, millimeter over the ear speaker. High crisp and thundering lows. Okay, all day battery life. Dope. The mic sensitivity is high and picks up your voice loud and clear and flips up. Oh, you flip up to mute. That's dope. So I don't have to hit a switch or anything. I just that's dope. I would be using that. Just flip it up. Flip it up. Okay. So that's the box right here. It's beat up, but it's still in one piece. I need a freaking stand for my phone. That's what I need to invest in next. A fucking stand for my fucking phone, because I'm tired of holding it. I need both my hands. I think these are rechargeable, and this is the charging cord. This is a micro USB. And then here are these bad boys. Definitely gonna have to do some editing and chop up this video so it looks more presentable. But here are these things. These things feel nice, not too heavy, light. I like the what's that word? The fucking the look that they're going for. Matted? Is it matted? No, carbon fiber. Ooh, where's my mind at today? So yeah, it's not real carbon fiber. That'd be dope though. It's some headphones. Oh, you gotta have money for that. So they got a carbon fiber look, which is clean, very crisp. Turtle Beach at the top. You know, they feel comfortable. They feel good. Logo. All right. Here's how these bitches look. They feel good as fuck, and you can't hear. I mean, it's very soundproofed already, and so I can only imagine when I'm only hearing audio through these things that it's gonna be very, very hard for me to hear anything from the outside, you know. So, bam. At least I ain't got a long dummy mic, you know, sitting in my face, so that's good. You know, these are very light and comfortable. But the question, yet the bickers, is how comfortable will they be wearing them for hours on end? Because I stream, I play, I game. So, we will put these to the test. And already they feel mad comfortable. So, I got hope. I got high hopes for these. And the Turtle Beaches. And I have a fondness of turtles. And beaches and Turtle Beaches. So, but I will keep my opinion clear. I will not be biased. So, God, these things feel good though. Nice and snug, you know. Definitely ain't coming off if you gotta get up in a hurry or some shit, or you turn your head. I hate fucking headphones. Like, you turn your head slightly and then they sliding off and shit. Nope. And then if you want to mute, boop, mute. And the controls are all on the back here. You can touch them with your right hand. And that's it. All controls are on one side. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so you got your volume right here. Then you got your, I believe this is your voice volume, which is dope. And then you got your on and off. Okay, you got PlayStation, you got off, you got Xbox. Okay, oh. So you switch it on to either side. So Xbox is green. I'm hoping when you switch it to the PS4 side, it turns blue. That'd be dope. They have that. And let's see. Okay, so it's just green. And then back to off. Alright, folks. So, read the manual on this charging situation, because it says it's green, but I'm going to go ahead and charge these things before I start playing tonight. Well, I just wanted real quick to show you that, yeah, they're chargeable. Rechargeable, which is dope. So you plug it into the port there, and it's red to indicate that it's charging. There would be no light there if it wasn't plugged up. So, and then I was reading, and it said that if it's on and charging, it's gonna be an amber color light, so that's a yellow. And we know from earlier that when it was fully on and not charging, it was just green. So, thanks for tuning in. Thank you again. Shout out to my boy Titty. Love you, boy. You hooked me up. I'm gonna get you back for sure. All right, everybody. It's your boy Silent doing another unboxing. Deuces. Peace out. Have a good one.
Take me away.